falling asleep while you have a cold can be miserable. So today we're going to be making a recipe that will help you fall asleep and relieve congestion. For this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I've already melted mine. And you'll need 1 tablespoon of beeswax. You'll need 8 drops of Breathe Easy Essential Oil blend and 4 drops of the Patchouli Essential Oil. To start, I'm going to melt my beeswax with my coconut oil, and then I'm going to add my essential oils. Now that this is melted, I am going to add my essential oils. I'm going to give this a little stir to blend in the essential oil. And then I'm going to pour my mixture into a little jar. Make sure you've added the essential oils after your mixture has cooled down a little bit so that they don't evaporate. Now I'm going to allow it to cool, and once it solidifies, it's ready to use. Once it's solid and ready to go, you'll apply some on your finger and apply it to your chest to help you sleep and relieve congestion naturally.